Miles of life.
Therapy.
We're born and bred in the city all our lives, but we've got this here. That was Nan growing up in Devon.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, we got country in us, bro.
Yeah.
We got country in us. Like, I get a lot from leaving the city. And I get a lot from Michelin. I can't stay in one. I realise the older I'm getting, the more I'm finding it hard to stay in one place.
You're
for long periods of time.
Therapy.
Waterfalls are very symbolic because you notice how there's an illusion of a drop, like a fall. You know how in life you can have a drop or a fall, but the waterfall is showing you that even when there's a fall or a drop or some kind of like valley in your journey, you got to still keep on running. Because right after the waterfall, you got a stream or a river and the water keep on going. So was it really a fall? Or was it just a transition? Was it just a shift? So I hope that serves as a reminder, and also I hope that it paints a picture to remind whoever cites this that don't worry about the little hiccups that happen in life. Be water, my friend.
Waterfall hunting. Miles of life.
Miles of life. Miles of life. Miles of life. Miles of life. Miles of life. Miles of life.
Therapy.